Hi everyone, are you looking second home option near to the nature? Then we have an option for you in 10-acre gated society which is located in Ranikhet. In our society, we are providing multiple amenities like it's a gated compound where we are giving you 24/7 security system, 20 feet wide roads, government electricity, water supply, clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, car parking, etc. If we talk about prices are very affordable in our society. In just 10,000 per square yard, you can book your dream plot near to the nature. We have two multiple sizes available here, 240 square yard and 300 square yard. If you want to visit our site, you can call us. Thank you.